Hello students, English shorthand, 100 words per minute, ready for dictation. I would like to thank the Finance Minister for the opportunity he has given to us to introduce this motion in this house this day. We take note of the economic program outlined by the Prime Minister a few days ago. We also take note of the fact that the Finance Minister has asked us to take into account not only the statement that is laid on the table of the House listing the 20-point program by the Prime Minister, but also to take into account the current economic situation, a review of which I think was presented to the House the other day. That is what I propose to do. If you permit me, I would like to divide my speech into two parts. One that will deal with the 20-point program and the economic survey taken together, and then the order going beyond the 20-point program, and possibly even the economic survey into a long range perspective of what we want to do as far as the economic development is concerned. Para. As far as the 20-point program is concerned, I think there are some exceptions. I do not think there is anybody either on this side of the house or on the other side of the house, or even among those who are not present here in the house, who would take exception to any of the items that are listed in the 20-point program. I would not therefore like to comment on them. I would like to classify them as those that deal broadly with some aspects of the rural sector, some aspects of planning program and inflation, the student community, and some aspects of industrialization. Obviously, they do not cover the full extent of the economic program. Para. I would like to comment on such of the items which require comments for their implementation. One is about the land ceiling to be made effective. I understand from the current economic survey that the central government have written to all the state governments to see to it that the land reforms legislations which have been introduced and passed are implemented by them. I would like to know from the minister whether we will get a white paper on this in this house, or do we get a document? I remember when I was in the planning commission, I had something to do with special documents. Thank you, students.